What's up guys, AR here, and this is the QiYi Valk 3, one of the most anticipated speed cubes. It was released in August of 2016. This cube was made in collaboration between QiYi and Valk, who is a professional speedcuber and broke the 3x3 Rubik's Cube world record twice. This cube is approved by him, tested by him, and also named after him. So yeah, this cube costs about $20 or 1,600 Bangladeshi taka, and at first glance, the packaging is premium. Has some paperwork with QR codes to videos and a message from Valk and his signature. This cube is extremely fast and buttery smooth out of the box. Too fast for me though, but after using it for a while it is controllable. Corner cutting is excellent and turning requires very little force, which makes a cube great. So yeah, in overall this cube is excellent for the money and I highly recommend this. But just keep in mind that everybody's solving style is different and that this cube might not satisfy some people. Now is my example solved with this cube. Hope you enjoy. So that was it guys. I used the beginner method in the example solve as I am pretty fast at it. I do know CFOP method with only 2 look OLL and PLL, but I'm still practicing it. So thanks for watching guys, and please consider subscribing if you like my content. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Peace.